Hi everybody, this is Dane at Jungie Lincoln Volvo Mazda of Cedar Rapids. I'm doing a quick review on this CX-90 preferred plug-in hybrid. You can tell it's a plug-in hybrid by the PHEV right there. There's one more badge around back, and actually I'm going to talk about the window sticker while we're here as well. I want to do a little bit of a breakdown on this. This MPGE number over here is confusing for a lot of people. So what it looks like is that you're getting 56 miles to the gallon. What in reality it means is that on electricity only, 1 gallon of gasoline is equal to 33.7 kilowatts of electricity. So if this car had that big of a battery, which it doesn't, it could travel 56 miles. That number is supposed to be used to compare the electrical efficiency of different vehicles. For example, the XC90 recharge I did yesterday, or did a few days ago, had about 58 mpge, which means it's slightly more efficient on electric energy only. This gasoline only number over here is your actual combined fuel economy number, just like you're used to seeing on a non-plug-in hybrid vehicle. And then you can see the range here. So it's estimated, or it's EPA rated at 26 miles electric and 490 miles combined range. So I hope that helps a little bit with the window sticker. And then of course over here you have your options list, your MSRP, added options, and your total MSRP. I can do a little bit deeper dive there if you'd like as well. We have the fuel door on the left, or on the driver's side. And then the other way to tell that it is a plug-in hybrid is with this eSkyActiv PHEV badge right here. And the fact that of course you have a second door back here. Push on this side, you'll notice there is in fact a charge port in there, and then some helpful little colorful indicators there. We're going to talk about that here in a little bit. Moving to the second row, once my camera focuses up, you'll notice this particular car has the captain's chairs. So I am 5'10". You'll notice that I have a pretty good amount of space on both sides. This seat is actually further back than what I would normally have it. So plenty of room. Down here in the middle, I have my climate controls, so I can turn on and off, fan up and down, temperature controls. USB-C is very conveniently located, and then I've got vents as well. Another thing I really appreciate about Mazda is this little tab right here. You actually have built-in rear sunshades. These can help prevent those one-sided tans and just help keep the sun off you, or especially if you have a kid in the back. Speaking of kids, for those of you that do have car seats, you'll notice these little tethers right here. They pop right out, and that is about as easy of access to a car seat anchor as you can get. These just pop right out, and then the best part, when you go to put them back in, super easy. They just snap right back in. Really big fan of that system from Mazda, super helpful. I can tell you as a parent myself, shaving 3 layers of skin off your knuckles trying to get your car seat hooked up is no fun. Moving here, we do have cup holders despite this being a pass-through. These are a fold through, and then of course these pop down to be able to accommodate. Really intuitive design. I like how they get out of the way when you don't have anything here. And then I also have these armrests, which you'll notice this goes too far down, but it actually ratchets so I can select my height depending on how high I want it. Push it all the way back and up out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and open this door back up, and we're going to climb to the third row. So, third row is accessed by this handle right here. You can also fold the seats flat with this handle. You'll notice it just cleared that, but this seat does lay flat. Lift to push back, and then pull this handle here. Seat tips and slides just like we're used to. That gives me pretty good access. Now, keep in mind I am 5'10", so this is a little bit smaller area, but you can see I do have a little bit of room for my feet, and I've got a decent amount of legroom back here. This seat could of course come back a little bit further if I had someone taller there. While I'm back here in the third row, I have a USB-C there. 2 cup holders for either side, which is a big touch. Normally third row passengers get kind of forgotten about, or can be. And then seat belts mounted here, and one for the middle passenger. Let me know if this is helpful, and I'll look forward to doing more videos like this.